Trillanes wanted everything that was happening in Scarborough to be made secret so that it will protect the interest of the Chinese. I do not want to discuss
Tinusisa ni Enrile ang papel ni Trillanes sa isyu ng West Philippine Sea. Matapos batikusin ng first termer na si Trillanes ang pamumuno ng veteranong mambabatas. Hali pa rin ni Enrile ang pinag-usapan ni Trillanes at Ambassador Brady. Kabilang ang pahayag umano ni Trillanes na walang pakialam ang mga tao kung mapa sa atin ang Panatag Shoal.
Pilipino ba yan? Makabayan ba yan? My God! What kind of a senator is this? Trillanes told the Chinese that we cannot enforce our coastal protection. Pinoy did not know of the arrangements being made by the senator. Imagine talking to an enemy of a potential enemy of this country 16 times. What did he discuss with these people? Who initiated the discussion? Did he? Or did they? Did they pay for his trip to Beijing? Huh? He should answer. That's why he could not be here, because I'm going to ask him. My God, this guy is a fraud. Trillanes wanted everything that was happening in Scarborough to be made secret so that it will protect the interest of the Chinese.